Here we are now at the start of the two-man championship. Numbers 2, 3, 4, now off. There we go. That's the first, should be 4 actually, there's only 3 there. The next batch coming up will be off in just under a minute now. So the battle has commenced. And today is the deciding day of the championship and the clubman's titles. Standing to the right of me is David Smith. What do you say, David? I'm filming. You got mentioned by name, haven't you? And the next pairing ready to go. There's only 2 this time. There's some no-shows today. They just can't stand the mud, I think. Well, I think there's 3, because number 8 is just behind that, so number 5 is missing. And they're off. And the next one to come forward